Hey everybody, it's Ben with ColorBliss here to demo some new editing features that are available starting now. So first up, when you go into your text prompts page, where I'm at right now, you can see that when you hover over an image, you now have the option to download. You always had that option before, but I've also added an edit button and I've also added a delete button. So if you've got a coloring page that you don't like and you never want to see it again, you can click the trash button and it will disappear from your library, helping you clean things up a little bit. So there you go with that. And now I want to show some editing features. So I like this coloring page because it's me playing a guitar. It's a sneak peek of our personalized coloring feature that's coming up. But I don't like this coloring page because it's completely gray and I'm not going to be able to color it. So what the first editing feature that we have is called adjustments, and it lets you control the distribution of color or black and white grayscale in your image. So you can see with the default settings, I've taken off all of the gray. If you turn this up, it will preserve more of the gray, and if you turn it down, it will start turning more of the black to white. But this is a pretty good result here. You can click and drag both so you can see the before and after. So I will save this image. That one is ready to color. That is the adjustments feature. That is available to everyone starting today on any tier. Next up, I have a background removal feature. So that's this remove background tab. I like this lion. I like the lines. I like the shapes and everything, but I don't like this gray background. I can click remove background and we'll get a one-click background removal. Happens super fast, and that is ready to print. Looks much better. That is background removal, and that is available on the hobby and artist plans. Next up, we've got Inpainting, which I think is pretty fun. Here you can see an example of how I took Kevin Bacon eating a big cactus and turned it into Cameron Diaz eating a big cactus. It's the same exact image, same exact prompt, I just changed the subject. How this works is you go to the Inpainting tab, you erase the part of the image that you want to change. So we can erase Kevin Bacon's face. Let's make sure we get the whole thing here. And I'm going to change it to George Washington. So you change the prompt, you erase the part you want to change, you change the prompt, and then you get a output of George Washington. That's not what I was expecting. But you can see basically how this works. Maybe we'll try this another time. We can erase the cactus and we'll say a big hamburger. And you can adjust the size of your eraser there to make it a little bit easier for you. So you can use this to change. I realize I spelled hamburger wrong, but it's still got the idea. So I'll save that image and we've got that hamburger there. So you can use that to adjust different parts of your image. Inpainting is also really useful for adjusting an image where you like most of the output, but you maybe got a third arm or something like that in the image. So like for instance, here's a dancer. I got the third arm thing going on. So I'm going to erase, I'm actually just going to erase both of these arms. And then I'm not going to change the prompt at all, and it'll just regenerate that area right there. And you can see that output is much, much nicer. So I'll save that. And then if you want to, you can take that updated image and you can run any of the other processes against it. You can do some of the threshold adjustment. It's not going to work so well on that one. You can add some denoising, that kind of thing as well. So you can make these all iterative. Yeah, that looks better as well. You can see some of the lines are smoother there. The last feature that's available, it's a little bit hard to demo here, but I've got an upscaler. So if you've got an image and you are ready to print it, you can click upscale and it will 4x the resolution of that image. And you will have a much higher quality image for printing in a coloring book or just on your printer at home. The upscaling and Inpainting and remove background are available on our artist and hobby plans, and our adjustments are available on any plan. I would love for you to try them out. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for using ColorBliss, and thanks for watching this video.